Can sunlight make city water safe to drink? The truth according to creation. Peace to the remnant. This is Lord Augustus. Today I want to answer a question that many people have, especially those living in cities, especially those who only have access to tap water. We've talked about how sunlight can soften city water for plants. We've talked about how leaves can help restore water to order. And the question comes up, if sunlight can help plants, can a person drink city water after treating it in the sun? Let me give you the truth with clarity. Sunlight can improve water, but it cannot make unsafe water safe for a human to drink. Sunlight can evaporate chlorine, break down some chemical bonds, restore oxygen, reduce harshness. That's why plants respond well to sun-treated water. But sunlight cannot remove bacteria, remove viruses, remove parasites, remove pharmaceuticals, remove industrial chemicals, remove PFAS, remove heavy metals. And if the water has lead, nothing simple fixes that. Not sunlight, not boiling, not leaves, not sand, not charcoal from a fire. Lead requires specialized filtration. So sunlight can soften water, but it cannot purify water for human drinking. Why plants can handle what humans cannot? Plants have soil buffering, root filtration, microbial partners, chemical tolerance, different biological thresholds. Humans need pathogen removal, chemical removal, metal removal, consistent purity. Plants can drink water that humans cannot. Plants can survive impurities that would make a person sick. So the method that works for your garden is not the method that keeps your body safe. If a person had to drink city water in an emergency, sunlight alone is not enough. The simplest real purification is boiling. Boiling kills pathogens. Sunlight does not. But even boiling cannot remove heavy metals or industrial chemicals. So the truth is this: sunlight restores water for plants, but humans require a higher level of purification. The biblical pattern still holds. Creation can restore water. Creation can heal water. Creation can soften water. But different tools apply to different purposes. Sunlight and leaves are for plants. Boiling and filtration are for humans. Heavy metals require specialized removal. The earth heals, but we must use the right method for the right need. This is wisdom. This is order. This is covenant understanding. Peace to the remnant. Strength to the remnant. And may the Creator give you wisdom in all things concerning the land, the water, and your health. This is Lord Augustus. Until next time.